All right, everybody, I came out here to the barn. I'm opening the door so I can get some light. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work on the baggage door, little weather stripping seal. Here's the supplies I brought to fix it. I got a wooden dowel, I got me some gloves, I got the adhesive, and I got some just painter's tape, 3M painter's tape. And what we're dealing with is this little weather stripping. It keeps coming out. I've had every annual, I've had it glued. And I can feel the track. It's got plenty of room for that to go in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it up right in here, squirt some glue down in there. I'm gonna really mash it in good into that groove. And then I'm gonna put that wooden dowel on it to hold it in there until it dries. Yeah, that's what it needs. It really needs to be mashed into that groove. And I think what's happening is they're closing the lid on it too soon, and then it sticks to the lid. Yeah, and you can see where it's stuck up there, right in there, that gunk. So, and then after it gets done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on there so it doesn't stick to that. Right, and clean that off real good. So that's the plan, so stay tuned. It's gonna get messy, so I'm not gonna be able to film and do it, but I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna apply the adhesive down in there, work this in there really well, and then put that wooden dowel in there and tape it down so it stays. Yeah, I think that's the plan. I think that's gonna work. I don't think they've given it time to dry before they say, oh, it's all good, and then it sticks to this and pulls it right back out. So, and we'll leave this for several days since the plane's not flying and it's in the hangar, so stay tuned. All right, there we have it. I'm just gonna leave that. We'll let that sit for several days, just like that. I actually might close the lid down. We'll see how it touches. I don't wanna mess it up, but I also don't wanna leave it wide open so anything can get in here. But anyways, we don't have anything valuable in the nose. So anyways, we'll see how it does after it dries. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple days. So stay tuned.